Hey everybody, today I want to show you how to create a standalone Mac app from any Google Chrome browser. This will be helpful when creating or rather using web pages with automation tools like Keyboard Maestro. So let's get started. See if I have Google Chrome open. I do. And it's open right here. So let's go to my page on Facebook. And let's see. So let's go to, here we go, my page. So here it is. Now, this will only work if you have developer tools enabled in Google Chrome settings. So and I already have it enabled. So you simply go to the settings menu and you go to more tools and then go to create shortcut. And you have to, let's give it a name. I'm going to remove my name and just make it be Facebook. And this is very important. You must check the open as window checkbox. And then click create. And we'll see here in a minute that it's been created. So we're going to close we are going to close, not sure why the trash opened up. We're going to close the Chrome browser now. Oh, and because you all saw, it just created the applet. So if I go to my Alfred folder and then Chrome apps, there's Chrome apps, and there it is, the applet that was created. And I should have searched for facebook.app. Okay, let's try that. And here it is now appearing. Didn't appear the first time. So I click on the app that was just created. But for some reason, which is weird to me, it opens the applet along with the browser. So if you give it a minute here to load, you'll see that I have the Google Chrome browser and the web page that should open now. And sometimes they both go to the same page, which is a little annoying, but you can close your browser now and just have the app. But you can't, I don't think you can close Chrome completely, but I can close this window and just have the applet working. Anyway, guys, that's the small tip that I have for today. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and comment as to what you'd like to see in future videos. and share this with anybody who you might think might be interested. Alright guys, I will see you all in the next video.